In this video, we are going to see how to find anyone's email address with Claude Code using LinkFinder AI MCP. Click the first link in the video description. It will redirect you to a LinkFinder AI website where you can create a free account. Click Start Free Trial to begin your free account registration. Click API and MCP to access the API and MCP settings. Click here to copy the MCP URL for integration. Switch to the Claude.ai tab to configure the connector. Click your profile. Click Settings to open the Settings menu. Click Connectors to view available connectors. Click Add New Connector. Click Add a Custom Connector to add a new custom connector. Click Name to enter the connector name. Fill LinkFinder AI MCP as the connector name. Then add the MCP URL from LinkFinder AI. Fill the MCP server URL copied from LinkFinder AI. Click Add to add the new connector to your Claude Code. Find Sarah Johnson email to search for Sarah Johnson's email address. We can see that Claude Code found the lead's email address using LinkFinder AI.